Is it time to buy or sell Oklo stock? In this video, we will explore Oklo in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, and we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any essential updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive a complimentary price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 14th of October, 2024, our system has identified Oklo as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.57. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who acted on our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 82.27% since we first designated Oklo as a buy candidate just 8 days ago. This equates to an average return of 10.28% each day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the midst of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are anticipated. The current 3-month trend implies a potential change of approximately 42.62% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 31.04% to an increase of 75.51%. Our latest daily update for Oklo includes the headline: High volatility in Oklo Incorporated stock price on Wednesday, which ended trading at $18.30. The Oklo Incorporated stock price experienced a decline of 12.15% on the last trading day, falling from $20.83 to $18.30. Throughout that day, the stock fluctuated by 27.17%, ranging from a low of $17.61 to a high of $22.40. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by 90.63% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume decreased on the last day, which typically indicates a positive trend as volume should align with stock movement. On that day, the trading volume dropped by 14 million shares, with a total of 34 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $629 million and 43 cents. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $22.93, while the lowest was $5.35. Currently, the price is 20.19% or $4.63 below the 52-week high of $22.93, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Oklo Incorporated has emerged as a standout in the nuclear energy sector, with its stock surging by an impressive 170% over the past month. Key driving forces include substantial deals and investments in the nuclear space, particularly from prominent technology giants such as Amazon, Google, and Microsoft. This wave of interest reflects the critical role nuclear power is playing in meeting the rising energy demands of artificial intelligence-driven technologies. Recent reporting highlights Oklo's shares reaching record highs, bolstered by notable momentum trading strategies targeting nuclear firms. As Sam Altman champions this startup, investors are increasingly enthusiastic, driving shares to soar by 22% within a single day. The potential for continued growth is supported by the company's innovative focus on developing smaller, more efficient nuclear reactors, as well as a robust customer pipeline. Despite concerns over delayed revenue generation until the year 2027, solid insider ownership indicates strong confidence in Oklo's long-term prospects. In the short term, the heightened investor interest from both institutional and retail outlets is likely to sustain stock price momentum. As nuclear power gains traction as a vital resource for data centers, Oklo stands at the forefront of this pivotal energy transition, positioning itself for significant growth opportunities in the evolving energy landscape. Analyst Ratings. On Tuesday, the 24th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Oklo a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley awarded Oklo a buy rating with an initialized recommendation. On Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, it was reported that Seaport Global assigned Oklo a neutral rating with an initialized recommendation. On Friday, the 21st of June, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup provided Oklo with a neutral rating and a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 4th of June, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Oklo a neutral rating with an initialized recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Oklo stock. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Oklo. The stock of Oklo Inc. displays buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two indicators, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support can be expected at levels of $17.66 and $9.92. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, often referred to as MACD. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which could affect the near-term development. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, with the stock experiencing a decline of 17.97% since then. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased in tandem with the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 3 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal from 8 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 25 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages offers a buy signal from 24 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average displays a buy signal from 26 days ago. The long-term moving average reveals a sell signal from 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presents a buy signal from 12 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Oklo. Oklo Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $18.23. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock is likely to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a considerably large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $4.79, which is equivalent to 27.17%. For the past week, the average daily volatility of the stock has been 24.86%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Oklo, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even established companies can face downturns, typically due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could indicate risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 12th of November, 2024. Analyst consensus estimates are currently at -8 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Oklo. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Oklo is at $20.83. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be an opportunity to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Oklo encounters its first support level at $18.23. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Oklo from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred over 3 months ago. The latest transaction was on the 10th of July, 2024, when Wright Christopher A. conducted an insider purchase of 16,854 shares of restricted stock units. We recommend setting a stop loss at $17.27, which reflects a decrease of 5.62%. This stock experiences very significant daily fluctuations, which indicates a high level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is Oklo stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall favorable trend, suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance that Oklo Inc. stock will perform well in the near future. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 24th of October, we anticipate that Oklo will open approximately $1.14, with initial trading expected at $19.44. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in any buying or selling of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day with warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.